Okay, so this is Newton's second law experiment. And in this experiment, we have a cart. Connected to the cart is a string, which goes over this pulley, and then we have a suspended mass. And what's going to happen basically is I'm going to start the system at rest. So the system consists of the cart and the suspended mass. We're going to turn on air track, release the cart, and it's going to accelerate to the right, and the suspended mass will accelerate at the same rate downward towards the floor. And we're going to calculate that acceleration two different ways. We're going to calculate it experimentally, so we can get that data from the smart timer, and I'll show you guys a few of those data collections, and then later I'll just give you all that data. And then the other way that we're going to calculate this acceleration is theoretically. So we're going to derive this, and in a separate video I will derive what the acceleration of that system of the cart and the suspended mass should be. Okay? So for now, let me show you how we're going to collect the data experimentally. So again, the cart's going to start at rest. Let me turn on the air track. So I'll make sure the cart's at rest. The suspended mass is somewhere near the peak. I'm going to hit start on the smart timer. I have it set up so it's measuring acceleration linear pulley, so in the linear direction. Let's start, hit an asterisk. I'll release it, let it go a foot or so, catch it. And then that value doesn't look good. Let me do this again. I'm getting around 33.4. Okay, if I bring this back, hit start, 33.4. So I'm going to do that for 10 times, right, with the cart by itself. So in this first condition, we have the cart by itself, so the mass of the cart, and then the suspended mass here is the hanger plus a small metal weight. Okay, and that's going to stay the same for both conditions. So hanger plus small metal weight, that'll remain the same. And then later what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the mass of the cart. Put this back on. So I'm going to add these two cylindrical weights from your kits, one on each side, and that will increase the mass of the cart. And I will record the acceleration for another 10 trials. Okay, so let's just do a couple of them here. So if I hit start, release it, I'm getting around 22.2. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to collect the rest of that data, and I will give you guys that data in a table.